The level of frustration concerning the failure of men and women who were elected to protect the Constitution is overwhelming. In light of the number of unconstitutional acts perpetrated by this Congress, and especially this administration, there is a need for we the people to respond. The evidence of unconstitutional acts has produced an uneasiness among many conservative Texans. There is an uneasiness with John McCain's NDAA legislation signed into law by President Obama and the unconstitutional rapid-fire edicts by President Obama's executive orders, which are clear violations of the Constitution. These patterns against the Constitution is threatening to our God-given liberties and run the real risk of nullifying those liberties through establishing illegal precedents. Unfortunately, no one in Congress or the judiciary has stood to fulfill their oath to protect and defend our Constitution from what some have called the death of 1,000 cuts. Their failure has caused a great deal of alarm among many in the Tea Party, the 9/12 movement, and constitutional conservatives across this state. We are of the opinion that there is a deliberate attempt by some in our government to destroy the original intent of the Constitution and the role it plays in securing our liberties. The Declaration of Independence tells us when any government becomes destructive to that end, it is the right of the governed to alter or abolish it. Here, the founders communicate a principle which tells us that we, the people, have the power to firmly adjust bad behavior out of our government. Constitutional defenders of Texas are convinced that this administration and Congress are conducting unconstitutional acts through executive orders and legislation that clearly violates the liberties of we the people. Therefore, on the merits and strength of the Declaration of Independence, we will analyze and evaluate the actions of this administration from 2009 until the present, the actions of this Congress from 2009 until the present. Our findings will be published and discussed in the public square in order to develop consensus as to how to address these violations and those who violate our Constitution. We believe that the Constitution matters today. It matters for us, it matters for our nation, it matters for our children. And we must respond, and we must rally behind this effort to save our Constitution and our republic. Thanks for listening.